Good morning, my dear 11th students. As in this video of accounts, we will discuss the negotiation of bill. Negotiation of bill. In the previous lectures, we have discussed the other conditions like retaining the bill till due date or discounting the bill from the bank. In this video, we will discuss about negotiation of the bill. I have already told you that there are four conditions. There are four conditions after Mr. A receives the bills, after the writer of bills receives the bills, there are four conditions: retaining the bill till the due date, discounting the bill from the bank. These two has been discussed, and today negotiation of bills, and after that we will discuss bills sent for collection. So what is negotiation? What is the meaning of negotiation? Negotiation or endorsement? Negotiation or endorsement, both are same term. Okay, almost same. Negotiation means transfer of the bill of exchange to another person in such manner that the transferee of the bill became the holder who has the right to possess the bill in his own name. Okay, so it means when we negotiate a bill to someone, it means we have transferred that bill to that particular person, and at the time of due date, he will receive the money, not us. He will receive the money, not us. Okay. So let's come to the illustration. Here are the general entries relating to that. Here are the general entries. When X is transferring the good, suppose there are now three parties: X writer, Y acceptor, and Z to whom bill is being endorsed. So when X endorsed the bill in the favor of Z, at that time Z debit to bills receivable account. No entry will be passed in the Y, and Z will do the entry bills receivable account debit to X. Okay, when Y will pay the amount, no entry will be passed in the X column because the bill is with Z and Z will receive the payment. So no entry will be passed in the Z and in the X. Y will do the same entry, bills payable debit to bank, and Z will do the entry bank account debit to bills receivable account because Z is receiving the payment. Now illustration number 5. Y owed 2600 to X. On 5 March 2017, he accepted a bill of 2500 for 1 month drawn by X in full settlement. Means here is discount of 100 rupees. X allowed 100 rupees discount. X endorsed the bill to the creditor Z immediately, and bill was duly met on the due date. Okay. First of all, X is writing the bill. To generate in the books of X. General entries in the books of X. Bill receivable account debit, discount allowed account debit to Y. Bill receivable debit, discount debit to Y. 2500 plus 100, and it is 2600. Then X is immediately endorsing the bill to Z. So Z debit to bills receivable. Bill is endorsed. Okay. Now in the Y, first of all, Y is accepting the bill. Then at that time X debit to bills payable to discount. 2600 was the payment, 2500 was the amount of bill, and 100 rupees is discount. And at the time of payment of the bill, this entry will be passed: bills payable account debit to bank. So bills payable account debit to bank 2500. Okay. First of all, now let's come to the Z. Z will receive the bill, bills receivable account debit to X 2500, and when Z will receive the payment, this entry will be done: bank account debit to bills receivable. Here you can say bank account debit to bills receivable. So it was the third condition. Now just see the fourth condition: when the bill is being sent to the bank for collection. When at that time this entry will be passed. This entries will be passed. It means that Mr. A is sending the bill, giving the bill to their bank, and ordering them to receive the money, to collect the money at the due date, and credit his account from the same. Okay, So this you can do by your own. So in the next videos we will discuss dishonor of the bill, renewal of the bill, and all. So my humble request is to you that keep trying, keep focusing on your studies, and keep doing practice of account, because without practice you can't do anything in account. Okay, we will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye, students.